Hi, everyone. Welcome back to B1 English. I'm Annie.
And I'm Biplov here. So glad you guys are joining us today.
Today, we are going to learn about articles, a, an, and the, and demonstratives, this, that, these, and those. We'll learn when to use them, where to use them, and with which kinds of words.
Yeah, and trust me, once you understand these, your English is going to feel so much more natural. Like, these are tiny words, but they make a huge difference.
They really do. So guys, be ready. Let's learn some new English today.
Let's go!
Okay, and real quick, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now and share this video with a friend who's learning English. It means the world to us. All right, Biplov, shall we start?
Let's do it!
Okay, so let's start with articles. Now, Biplov, if I asked you, what is an article in English, what would you say?
I'd say it's like a small word that comes before a noun, right? Like you say a cat or the cat, something like that.
Exactly. That's a perfect way to put it. Articles are small words, a, an, the, and they come before nouns. Now, in English, we have two types. We have the indefinite articles, that's a and an, and then we have the definite article, which is the.
Right. And I think a lot of people get confused about when to use a and when to use an. Like, what's the difference?
Oh, yeah, that's such a common question. Okay, so the rule is actually pretty simple. You use a before a word that starts with a consonant sound, and you use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound.
Vowel sound. So like A, E, I, O, U?
Yes. So, for example, you say a book. B is a consonant sound, so it's a book. You say a car. C is a consonant sound, so a car. But then you say an apple. A is a vowel sound, so an apple.
Oh, okay. So an egg, an orange, an umbrella.
Perfect. Exactly like that. You got it fast.
I try. But wait, I've heard people say an hour. H is not a vowel, right? So why an hour?
Ooh, great catch. Okay, so this is where it gets a little interesting. The rule is not about the letter, it's about the sound. So even though hour starts with the letter H, when you say it out loud, you say hour. The H is silent, so the sound is a vowel sound, and that's why it's an hour.
Oh, so it's about how you pronounce it, not how you spell it.
Exactly. Pronunciation over spelling, always.
Okay, that actually makes a lot of sense. What about something like a university? Because university starts with U, which is a vowel.
Ah, yes. Okay, so this is the flip side of the same rule. University starts with U, but when you say it, you say university. That y sound at the beginning, that's a consonant sound. So it's a university, not an university.
Wow, okay. So it's really all about the sound. Before consonant sounds, and before vowel sounds.
That's it. You've got it. Simple, right?
Yeah, honestly, when you explain it that way, it makes total sense. So now, when do we actually use a and an? Like, in what situations?
Good question. So a and an, we call them indefinite articles, and we use them when we're talking about something for the first time, or when it's one of many, not a specific one. Like, imagine you're telling your friend about your day, and you say, I saw a dog in the park. You're not talking about a specific dog, just some dog, any dog.
Right, like you're introducing it for the first time into the conversation.
Exactly. First mention, not specific. So another example. She's reading a book. We don't know which book. It's just a book, some book.
Okay, and then the is when it gets specific.
Yes, now we're talking about the definite article, the definite article. And we use the when both the speaker and the listener know exactly what we're talking about. It's specific. It's that one particular thing.
So, like going back to the dog example, if I said I saw a dog in the park, the dog was really friendly. The second time I say it, it's the dog because now we both know which dog I'm talking about.
Perfect example. Yes, exactly. First mention, a dog. Second mention, the dog. Because now it's established. We both know which one.
Okay. And are there other situations where we use the?
Yeah, there are a few. One big one is when there's only one of something, like the sun. There's only one sun, right? So it's always the sun. The moon, the president, things that are unique.
Oh, that's a good point. Like the Eiffel Tower. There's only one.
Exactly. The Eiffel Tower, the Amazon River, the Great Wall of China. These are unique things, so they always take the.
Okay, cool. And what about, I've noticed sometimes people say the before things like the internet or the news.
Yes, good observation. So things like the internet, the news, the radio, the environment, these are things that are shared, common, universal in a way. Everyone knows what you mean, so they take the.
Interesting. So it's like everyone knows what the internet refers to. It's specific in that sense.
Exactly right. And then there are cases where we don't use any article at all. We call that zero article. Like when we talk about things in general, like I love music. Not I love the music or I love a music, just I love music. General concept.
Oh, yeah. Like dogs are friendly animals, not the dogs are friendly animals, just dogs in general.
Yes, you're on a roll today, Biplov.
I'm learning along with everyone else, honestly.
That's the best way to learn. Okay, so let's do a quick little informal check. Biplov, I'll give you a sentence and you tell me a, an, the, or nothing.
Okay, let's do it. Go ahead.
Okay, all right. She wants to be doctor.
A doctor. Because it's not a specific doctor, it's just the profession in general.
Yes, perfect. Okay, next one. Can you pass me salt?
The salt. Because we're both at the same table. We both know which salt we're talking about. It's specific.
Exactly right. See, you're getting this. One more. Honesty is the best policy.
No article? Just honesty is the best policy? Because it's a general idea.
Yes, no article. Honesty as a concept, in general. Great job.
Haha, okay. I feel good about this now. So good.
You should. All right, so that covers articles pretty well. Now, should we move on to demonstratives?
Yes, let's do it. This, that, these, those. I feel like I use these all the time, but I want to understand them better.
Right, they're so common. Okay, so demonstratives. This, that, these, those. We use them to point to things, to show which thing we're talking about. near or far, singular or plural.
Okay, so it's about distance?
Partly yes. So this and these we use for things that are close to us, near, and that and those we use for things that are far from us, away.
Okay, so if I'm holding a pen in my hand, I'd say this pen. But if the pen is across the room, I'd say that pen.
Exactly. Perfect. And then this and that are singular, one thing. These and those are plural, more than one thing.
So these pens if I'm holding many pens. And those pens if the pens are far away.
Yes, you've got the whole grid right there. This, singular, near. That, singular, far. These, plural, near. Those, plural, far.
Okay, that's actually really clean and simple, but I feel like people use that and those in other ways too, right? Like, not always about physical distance.
Oh, absolutely. Great point. So distance can also be time. Like if something happened a long time ago, we use that. Like, that was a great vacation we had last year.
Oh, interesting. So it's like emotional or time distance too, not just physical.
Exactly. And we also use this for things happening right now or very recently, like, this is so exciting, or did you hear this news today?
And that for something more removed. Like, that movie we watched last week was amazing.
Yes! Haha, see? You're doing it naturally already.
I guess I am. Okay, what about I've heard people say things like these days or those days, like not pointing at anything physical.
Oh, yes. Those are such common expressions. These days means in the current time, right now, recently. Like, these days, everyone is on their phone all the time.
Right, like the present general situation.
And those days, that refers to a pastime. Like, oh, those days were so simple. We didn't have social media.
That's kind of nostalgic sounding.
Exactly. It has that nostalgic feeling to it. Those days. We're looking back at something distant in time. Those days.
Okay, so this and these near in space or time. That and those far in space or time. Got it.
Perfect summary. And one more thing. Demonstratives can also be as pronouns, meaning they can stand alone without a noun after them.
Oh, like instead of saying this book, you just say this.
Exactly. Like someone hands you something and you say, "What is this?" You're not saying, "What is this thing?" Just, "What is this?" It replaces the noun.
Oh, right. Or like answering the phone. Hello, this is Biplov speaking. You're not saying this person is Biplov, just this is Biplov.
Yes, that's such a good example. And on the phone, if someone asks, "Is that Annie?" that is being used as a pronoun too.
Oh, I never thought about that. We just say it automatically.
That's the thing about English. A lot of these rules we follow naturally without realizing, but when you understand why, it all clicks.
Totally. Okay, Annie, hit me with some examples. Full sentences using all four. This, that, these, those.
Okay, ready? This coffee is really hot. Singular, near.
That building over there is beautiful. Singular, far.
These cookies are delicious.
Those clouds look like rain.
Perfect. See, 4 demonstratives, 4 sentences, all different situations.
It flows so naturally when you put it like that. Okay, I think I have a solid understanding now. Articles, and the, demonstratives, this, that, these, those. All of it is about being specific, pointing things out, showing distance.
Beautifully summarized, Biplov. And you know what? This is actually day 2 of our 45-day English challenge. So if you're following along, amazing. You're doing great. Keep going.
Yeah, and if today is your first day joining us, no worries. Go back and check out day 1 as well. Everything builds on each other.
Exactly. And guys, if this video helped you today, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below telling us one sentence using this, that, these, or those. We love reading your responses.
Yeah, come on, drop it in the comments. Let's see what you've got.
And don't forget to subscribe and share this with someone who's learning English. It really does help us keep making content like this for you.
All right, everyone. This was day 2 of the 45-day challenge. We'll see you tomorrow for day 3.
See you then. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.